Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the time complexity of the 0-1 knapsack problem using the brute force approach. Okay, there are n items. Assume that there are n items that we have. So let's say item number 1, item number 2, item number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's set n is equal to 7 here. So but knapsack problem says that you're either picking or not picking an item, okay? And let's say that now we don't have, we can take or take all the items, okay? We're gonna see what's gonna be the worst case. So if you either you're taking the first item or not picking, so you have two ways. The second item also you have two ways, either picking it or not picking. So you have two, okay? So here. Third item also you either pick or not picking that one. Also for the rest. So for the rest. And as you see now we have all the combination. So if you are picking item number 1, let's say if you let's first start with this show this one with n equal to 2, item number 1 and 2. Okay, there are 4 ways. Okay, you are picking item number 1, not picking number 2, picking item number 1 but not picking item number 2, not picking item number 1 but picking item number 2, not picking item number 1 and not picking item number 2. So there are 2 ways for the first item and 2 ways for the second item, so together going to be 2 by 2, that is equal to 4. So here for every item, let's say n is equal to 7, then we're going to multiply all these numbers together, okay, because 2 ways for the first item and 2 ways for the second item until up to the n that here is equal to 7. So for the time complexity of the brute force, when n is equal to 7 is to the 7, when n is equal to is 2 to the 2. So we can generalize this formula and saying that the time complexity for the brute force is equal to 2 to the power n, okay, that n is the number of items you have, and 2 is because either you are picking the item or you are not picking the item. So together going to be 2 to the power n at the worst case.